I was born into battle. I fought for greed and gods. This is the first war I've seen worth fighting for.
What do you want from me?
What do you want for yourself?
I want you to learn from the inside. I want you to gain their trust.
You should not be here. Go back. All this is your fault.
I need your help. Outstanding.
Haven't gotten lost in the woods, have you?
Did you forget what team you're playing for? Strong prey on the weak, and nobody does a thing.
They've sent us a message that they can take whatever they want. But we will send them a message that this is our land.
Hey, Sully. How's it feel to betray your own race? You think you're one of them? Time to wake up.
Just hear that you've been decorated, and they sent you here to be posted.
Actually, sir, I'm here at my own request.
Why?
I've always wanted to see the frontier.
There ain't nothing here, Lieutenant. Everybody's run off or got killed.
What about Indians? Conduct.
With all due respect, your status as a traitor might improve should you choose to cooperate with the United States Army.
There's nothing for you to do out here.
You willing to cooperate in that? Well, speak up.
Shumani tu tanka obwachimi yelo.
What's that?
Shumani tu tanka obwachimi yelo. Nitaku napish nielo. Wichoa ye inichi pipish nielo.
You are an Englishman. Are you not loyal to England?
To England and to other things.
To England and Arabia, both? And is that possible? I think you are another of these desert-loving English. That is Stanhope, Gordon of Khartoum.
Start if I take your picture?
All right.
Okay. Just walk.